Welcome to Sema4.ai Studio. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through building your first AI agent. These agents, powered by large language models, can automate complex, valuable work right from your desktop. Sema4.ai agents are trained using plain English, making them easy for business users to create and maintain without technical expertise. There are two types of AI agents that you can build in the studio: conversational agents and worker agents. Today, we will build a conversational agent. Think of this as your hello world for AI agents, a simple yet powerful introduction to the world of Sema4.ai Studio. Our example won't require access to enterprise applications, making it accessible for anyone to build. However, keep in mind that this is just the tip of the iceberg. As you progress, you'll discover how to create more sophisticated agents that can integrate with your existing business systems and perform complex, valuable work. Let's meet our first agent, the News Assistant. At its core, this agent performs three essential tasks. It gathers news articles based on your interests, structures, and presents this information in an easy-to-understand format, and saves the information in Excel for future reference. This agent will demonstrate several key capabilities of Sema4.ai agents. You'll see firsthand how an agent can understand and process natural language instructions, seamlessly work with common actions like Excel, browsing, and automatically organize information in a structured way. It serves as foundation for building more sophisticated agents later. Let's start building. From the homepage, click Build Your AI Agent. Select Conversational Agent. Name your agent News Assistant and add a description. This basic information helps identify your agent's purpose and type, making it easier to manage as you build more agents. Now let's create a runbook for our agent. Think of runbook as your agent's instruction manual, written in plain English, without needing to write code. Let's dive in. First, the objective. This is where we tell our agent its core purpose. Next is context. This is the background information our agent needs to understand. In our case, this includes where to store files, how to organize information, and what sources to use. Then we define the steps, the actual workflow our agent follows. Our agent will get user preferences, collect relevant news, manage Excel files, and organize the information. Finally, we set guardrails, rules that keep our agent on track. We can also include example responses. These show our agent how to interact naturally with users, setting the tone and style of communication. As you can see, the runbook editor feels just like writing in Google Docs. It's intuitive and familiar, making it easy for anyone to define their agent's behavior without needing technical expertise. Now, it's time to set up the large language model that will power your agent. Studio offers a flexible and user-friendly interface for managing your LLM configurations. Click on the Setup button next to your preferred provider. Let's use OpenAI as an example. A new panel will open, allowing you to either select an existing configuration or create a new one. To create a new configuration, click on Create New Model at the bottom of the panel. In the New Model window that appears, enter the required details. Name your configuration, choose your model, and add your API key. After entering all the required information, click the Test button to verify your configuration. Studio quickly validates your API key, and you are ready to save this configuration. Click Confirm to finalize your LLM selection. You can switch between these configurations when needed. Now let's add some actions to our agent. Actions connect AI agents to your enterprise applications and enables them to take actions such as updating your CRM, retrieving data, or sending emails. For our News Assistant agent, we'll add two essential action packages: Excel for creating and updating spreadsheets, and web browsing for gathering news. Click Add to Agent, and we are all set with our actions. We are now ready to test our agent. Click on the Deploy button to start the magic on your desktop. Let's try some example prompts. And there you have it, our News Assistant in action. Notice how our agent handles unexpected situations. It communicates clearly and offers a corrective action plan. This transparency in communication is a key feature of Sema4.ai agents, helping you stay informed and maintain complete control over your agent's actions and outcomes. Perfect! The agent has successfully gathered and stored the news exactly as requested. Congratulations! You've just created a powerful AI agent without writing a single line of code. Remember, this is just the beginning. Experiment with different runbooks, actions, and LLMs to create agents tailored to your specific needs. Happy building!